You too can watch the video till the end to see how many other toys you can make with a pencil. You can also send it to other toys and watch the video till the end. Do as shown in this video. Watch this video till the end. And it is very simple to make a pencil. Take a waste pencil, another rubber band, and a notebook charging pin. Take a rubber band. That's all. The other gun is a small children's toy. It is very simple. You can also use it in other schools. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. May God bless and protect you. And let me know where you are watching from hometown. Tell use your thoughts in the comments.